You are now watching itsmontez.com. Thank you so much for tuning in. As you know, on this channel, you're going to get that advice, you're going to get that motivation. It's going to pick you up and take you and place you somewhere that you once weren't. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Montez McCarry from itsmontez.com.
If it's going to happen, it's meant to happen. It's going, everything's going to line up for you real easy. Like, if it's pulling teeth, then it ain't the Lord. Not the Lord's work, absolutely. Yeah. What you mean? I just masked it out. So I selected what I want, and then this is masked right here, and it'll cover up whatever I didn't select. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through here, make sure the edges is good, all the black is showing around it, and then we're gonna pop on a gold chain, make his eyes yellow. Let's zoom in here. Go find some yellow, nice yellow eyes, yellowish red. Here, so something like that, a bit more reddish, and I'm gonna select his eyes. Then I'm gonna grab a brush. Change the opacity so it won't be so fluid with red. Change the flow. And then we're gonna get them some red eyes. Then we're gonna put that dot in there. We'll grab a black dot. Real simple like. Let's zoom in here. That dot, I'm going to bring that opacity and flow back up. Make sure it's good and solid. It looks kind of pixelized now because I'm zoomed in. And I'm going to pop this gold chain right onto this bear. So I'm going to grab it. Drop it, and then we're going to transform it so it could fit perfectly around his neck. There, get a good place on it. Drop the chain behind the bear. So, and then we're going to finish masking. Alright, now let's go make his pendant. Let's see here. Let's make him a chain. Yeah, that looks good. They got the transformations on it. Put that GPN on there. I think that's nice. Let's crop that. Zoom in. Let's crop them down to both sides. Get all this blank space out of there. Yeah, that's pretty nifty right there. I like that. I like that a lot. This is Dewan Jackson with Click Media Designs, a creative solution for web design, logos, flyers, business cards, web hosting, graphic designs, and branding. Make sure you follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Again, this is Dewan Jackson with Click Media Designs.